Hello and welcome back. We are now in Bath and we want to try and show you more of the things that you don't see. Hidden gems around Bath, and hopefully we might find some little hidden gems along the way ourselves. So that's the plan. Let's explore. We're a little bit late, as you guys would know. We broke down yesterday, which was joy. £350 for a spanner fix. That's the truth, reality behind it. These are good, don't they? Look at them, Guinness things there. That's the other thing. We're sleeping in the car tonight. When we get back a little bit later, we'll show you what we've done. But you can go in there, which is £8 to get in.
The building itself, look at that.
Yeah, the buildings are amazing. Look at that. So this is the Abbey. Yeah, it's huge.
Should we get pajama?
Pyjamas, what for tonight?
For tonight, I've got pajama.
Look at these flowers.
Oh, you got no ear.
See, this is a pig.
Someone eat pig's
Yeah, but
ear.
this is a pig, right? But in Thailand, what do you call pigs?
Moo.
Huh?
Moo is pig. Moo.
And what noise does a pig make in Thailand?
Oot, 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 oot.
Yeah, it's insane. Oot, 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 oot.
What's so funny?
Wow.
Just need to find a cocktail then. Let's just sit down and have a glass of cocktail.
Cocktail?
Calm down.
Why does it need a cocktail? It's called Fat Giraffe Gifts. Oh, I can't see any giraffes. Oh, hold up, there's a giraffe there. However, it's not a fat one.
I hope it's the right way. It should be, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. You have to come down, you have to follow Brook Street, which is here. Circus is back there. And then this is the Crescent. These alleys are lovely, aren't they, some of them?
The shop is very posh as well.
It's a very posh place to be.
That chair is £780.
How do you want it, darling?
Oh, that look very comfortable to me. Well,
Whoa! Would you like a chair for £700?
that's 10 grand, come on. £500.
Hold on. £10,500 a teak chair. Has anyone ever bought a chair or something even similar
Wooden chair, though.
that costs 10 grand? That's mental. That's pretty unique, that actually, isn't it? Some people do live here. I can't imagine how much house pricing would be, but some people do live here, as well as there being a museum. Actually, we do need to get some goods, get some snacking bits.
Yeah, I think
Not too much because it's going to be crammed as it is inside this car.
We got pillow. We got a long pillow. We got a
blow up,
two-bed blanket.
blow up bed, which might go down. Oh, it's ginormous.
Yeah, no.
Look.
You can see me.
See the tree trunks and May running. And then you can see the tree. Are you doing Indian movie? Are you? Indian movie, yeah. So we found some.
Oh,
I don't know.
They play betong.
Play what?
Of entry there, get there. Betong, you know the
What's betong?
In Thailand they call betong. The big round metal, you have to hit the center one.
Ah, okay, I see. You don't just bring your own beer.
Where's the center?
I don't know.
I like to
Oh,
join
so it's this one, he's got beer.
I like to join them.
Everyone just drinking beer, playing whatever it is. Yeah, so just the locals come and just play and drink beer.
That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I can't blame you.
Yeah.
The whole community comes together to do this, you know. It's quite unique, really, that.
Yeah.
And the fact that they can all just sit here and just drink and get half cut is amazing.
Food and drink, yeah. Oh.
This has got a New York vibe to it. I don't know why. I've never been to New York, but it just feels like it's got a New York vibe.
New York.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I bought dinner, which was my sandwich. It's in my bag. So I had dinner set, which I bought, and then I come to Tesco's and bought another meal deal, just in case. And whilst we were there, someone got wine.
Yeah.
You! Don't even pretend it ain't there. Where is it? Show them. Show the people. Wine. This is literally our park up. Mate, it's sorting out the windscreen.
Yeah.
Because the car's still a bit smoky. And I don't know if it's the diesel that's left in there still, or there's a leak, I don't know, but that'll have to go out there like that and shut the doors like that. That'll be fine, you shut the door like that.
Is it?
So I'm going to shut these down, so we've got a big boot, and then I'm going to use our pump with this bed, and then a blow up to go on top and to lay flat all the way in there. God, help us. We are pitch number 1. This is our plot. We ain't got the big boys, we've just got a car. That's the first part done.
Yeah.
So we've got this first bit, okay, and then we got this here which supports, and then I've got to push that seat forward because this thing's quite big, but then that gets pumped up, so let's pump this thing up.
One eternity later.
That's it, so we're going to stuff these down the sides, hopefully, like that. Then suitcases need to go in the front of the car. This is our bed. Got some USB fans. They work without electric for hours, so I can have some nice cool air in there.
2 blankets.
Blankets in there, and we can swap and put all the suitcases in front up there, and then we're ready. But before we do this, oh Christ, I'm getting a headache. I'm getting a headache already. Once it's done, you'd never know. Look.
Oh, shame we didn't bring any blanket with us for our dinner.
Oh God.
We could leave this open tonight, can we?
No, let's not.
Why not?
Because it's mental.
No one's gonna come after us.
Yeah. I'm coming. I'm coming. This is ridiculous. How comfy is it? Oh my God, right. What are we doing?
It's very comfortable.
This is my view. This is my view.
You got me tonight.
Oh God. Things we do.
Oh no.
Don't tell me it's a cork.
Yeah.
You cock. Is that for you for real? You've bought a bottle of wine without a cork.
Oh, forgot about that. No, never mind.
What a
Cock.
Right, this is how you get in.
Oh, come on then. Get in there. How are you going to get out now?
So I'm going to put a fan here, I think. I might, do you know what? I could get with this, you know. Push that aside. Look, alright.
Look, I've got plenty of room left in this side.
Yeah, see? I've only got to push up a little bit here, like that. And then, that's me done, look.
Your headrest there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I've got a headrest. Push up. Done.
Hello, I'm down here. Plenty of room.
Headrest, I can do a little bit. Well, I can't use a mouse, but nevertheless, it's not terrible. But that is the way you have to get out.
Side.
You have to get out via this door because the boot hasn't got a safety thing. So when you have to go to the toilet.
You tired yet?
We're mental.
I know. Come from the lock cabin, huh? And sleep in the car. Oh, I don't want to try it. It works again. They give me experience before we buy a motorhome.
Not quite the same thing, is it?
Let's just sleep in the car. Oh, dear, I'm tired now. Just didn't sleep last night. Oh, Christopher, what have you done? You sting. My turn.
No!
Yeah.
I can't push anymore, I will go through.
That's why you'll be shot.
Okay, getting out.
You better take this off when you come.
Oh, I know, I'm going to have to take it off. Oh!
Can we not leave the boat until we literally go bed?
Yeah, you could do, but... Oh, God. Oh, God. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, my God. Was it a really, really good idea?
It's okay, new experience.
For someone who couldn't wait to do this. Oh, I can't wait to do this. I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited.
I know.
Not too bad. Check it out. Look at you. Look. Put your dressing gown with you. You know what? First night camping wasn't too sad, was it?
Yeah.
Could have been worse. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.
Cheers.